Hello, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. So at first, I will show you hidden features that we can find in the camera application. So at first, when you click and hold your shutter when you are in the photo mode, you are able to record short video. When you release that button, video will be finished. You can find it for sure by tapping right here and open the gallery. As you can see, that's our video that we shot with this shortcut in the photo mode. Another option that we can use. Here we can find the volume buttons. So when you click on the volume up or down, you will enable 2 seconds of shutter delay. Okay, right now, when you click, hold and then drag, you are able to open this slider with the zoom feature. Take a look. So right now we can zoom in and zoom out very smooth. You can find also right here the additional presets, because currently we got only 2x, 1x and the ultra wide angle. So one more time, make it like that, and you are able to use 4x, 6, 8 and 10 times digital zoom. You can also zoom in and out by pinching the screen. So you can decide which option you can choose. Okay, when you click and hold on the screen, you can also change the brightness level by moving this sun icon like that. So we can decrease or increase brightness level, and it works in the most modes in this smartphone, in the video, portrait and this additional that you can find in the more tab. To activate automatic brightness, you have to tap on the screen once, just like that. Okay, and I think that's all from the hidden modes. Right now I'm going to show you how to change the color and the temperature on the photos. So you have to tap right here and then you can simply choose the default presets. So if you want to take photo with this filter, just pick it, click on the shutter, and right now take a look. As you can see, the color and the temperature on the photo has changed. When you go for the video mode, we can also find right here this filters by tapping on this icon. Okay, right now we are going to move for the Pro video mode, where you can find very useful option. It's called the focus peaking and the exposure verification. So if you are not sure if the exposure is fine on the photo, you can enable this option, and then when you try to modify, for example, the exposure compensation with the EV, you will see this red and the blue lines when the exposure is not correct. And it works the same for focus, so you have to switch to the focus peaking. And right now we can see which object in the photo are on the focus, and you can right now operate with this focus slider manually, just like that. So it will definitely help you to use the Pro mode. Right now we are going to move for the settings, where we can find other options. So at the first we can find more camera delay, like 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's choose 3, tap on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. Let's go for the normal one. Right now we can open the settings, and in the settings we can also find other options. So we can switch the volume button function, currently is set up on the shutter countdown, but we can switch, for example, for the zoom, and also we can enable tap to take photo and press and hold to take, for example, the burst shot. So we change the volume button function, so when you press volume up we can zoom in, and zoom out by pressing volume down. When you click on the screen, we can also take photos because we enable touch photo. And when you click and hold the shutter right now, you are going to take a series of the photo. When you go for the gallery, tap on this icon, we can find all of these photos that we take in the bird shot. As you can see, it looks like very short video. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back for the settings. When you are in the settings, you can also turn off the shutter sound. So if you want to get rid of that sound when tapping on the shutter, you can make it right here in the settings. When you go for the more modes, we can find, for example, the 108 megapixel mode. This mode allows us to take better quality on the photo. Just take a look how many details we can find and how close we can zoom. So it's good for cropping the photos, for example. In the normal photo mode, you are not able to zoom in that far on the preview. Okay, so honestly, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.